What's the meaning of above the fold? Above the fold. 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 The term above the fold refers to the part of a web page that is visible without scrolling. It is a term that originated in the newspaper industry, where only the top half of a newspaper page is visible when it is folded in half. In the context of web design, above-the-fold content is typically the most important or eye-catching content on a page, as it is the most likely to be seen by visitors. Here are some tips for optimizing your web pages for above-the-fold content. Use clear and concise headlines that accurately summarize the content of your page. Use high-quality images or videos that will capture attention. Make sure your call to action is visible and easy to find. Test different layouts and designs to see what works best for your audience. By optimizing your web pages for above-the-fold content, you can increase the chances that visitors will stay on your page and take action.